might be it. That may very well be the last time I take Courtney's car to upload all my videos. So it's something that's annoying, and something that probably a lot of you guys don't know, is that the Wi-Fi at the new house is terrible. It's not really the new house, but the house we moved into like 6 months ago, the Wi-Fi is absolutely trash. So like today, it was like 11, I want to upload my video by 12:30. I had to drive to Starbucks to do it. The Wi-Fi there takes hours to upload a video. I hope, to be honest with you, I hope this is the last time I take this car. I love this car, but sometimes it's time to see things go. On the plus side of selling this thing, dude, everything is back to stock. Look at this. No scrapes or nothing, boys. That's insane. I literally forgot what it was like to drive a car that was not lowered. You can like jump this thing and it just doesn't matter anymore. On the downside though, it looks extremely sad. If we put the stock wheels back on, stock suspension, everything is literally back to stock. Well, I was gonna wash this thing and then it started pouring rain the second I went to do it, so that's not happening today. Like, I'm almost certain most private sales aren't like fully detailed before they get sold, but like I completely detailed the interior in this thing, and like I will only list this thing for sale when the outside has been washed. I don't know why, I just don't like it. Oh, here she comes! Dude, look at her, she doesn't even know she's about to own the coolest car we own. Hi! Get used to sitting over there.
That's so weird. What if I don't like it? Then what do you do with this footage?
This video just becomes a garbage. I'd literally just throw it away. But you're gonna like it and we're gonna buy it. We literally drove over an hour in the pouring rain and it's still raining. So I kind of hope this thing doesn't let us down. Like, I just hope that it's good enough for a purchase. Cause like, I'm so excited that this is the car Courtney found. You guys have no idea. Of all the cars she could have found, she showed me this thing and I didn't even like second guess. I was just like, yes, we're gonna get that. As long as it's nice, like we're gonna get it. This guy said that he pulled it inside a barn or something. At least I get to say dry when I look at it, but there's a lot that could be wrong, and that's the problem. It's one of those cars. Dude, this guy lives in a freaking castle. This is so weird. So this guy only wants us to drive it on his property, obviously, because it's not insured right now. But I think I really like it.
Think we're gonna send it?
We might send it, maybe.
Full send or no send?
Do you want to send it? I think it's a full send or no send kind of day.
Because we can like sell it, right?
Well, this could be my daily if you don't like it. Like, I'm buying it.
Full send or no send?
I think
we should just full send.
Yo, we just stopped to put gas in this thing. Dude, I'm more fired up than Courtney is, I think, right now. Like, I'm so excited. I can't believe it's right-hand drive. Dude, this is weird. So when we left, I was like, all right, I'm not gonna film until I get comfortable with right-hand drive, because I don't wanna like be filming and kind of like slosh all over the road. You shouldn't really film when you're driving at all. That's why I'm at the gas station. I would like to say I'm very spatially aware, and that's how I got this really easily, but I haven't really found any difficulties other than the turn signals and stuff being on the wrong sides. It's annoying. But it's so dope, dude. This car's so tight. Man, like, what an upgrade. Some will call this a downgrade. Dude, I am fired up, dude. I'm fired up. Our neighbors, they're gonna love Courtney now. There's a little Japanese blow-off valve. Definitely needs a louder blow-off valve, though.
Somebody's telling.
It's probably this. Okay. This is burning off a lot of shit from sitting around. I'm gonna have to send it a little bit. Is that okay? One.
Sent it a couple times. I've heard you backfiring.
Yeah, I was trying to backfire. I tried to film it for them, but I couldn't get it. I was so happy you heard it. Okay, I'm gonna send it just a little bit, because if we're gonna break it, I want to break it right now before it's your only car. Thank you. This isn't like a full send, but we're doing like a rolling 60. All right, rolling 60, go. Yo, oh, that was fast. It's one of those things that like, I'm looking at the RPM, I'm like, okay, it's climbing decent. I look over, I'm speeding. This car can get you in some serious trouble. It doesn't feel fast, but I was just moving.
let them take advantage. I was wildin', on record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record, I still want the act, not the ghost.
How cool is this car? If any of you guys have been following me for a long time, or you just know me very well, you know that a while ago I made a vision board like before my channel had very much of a following, and this is one of the cars that I said I wanted to get. I wanted the GC8. This is technically a GF8 because it's a wagon, but I've always wanted one of these things. I absolutely love these cars, and then we've been talking about selling Courtney's Mazda for months now, and then she finally caved the other day and she's like, all right, clean it up, put it back to stock, like we're gonna sell it, I'm gonna get something more fun as a daily. And she sent me this thing and I literally instantly just messaged the guy and I'm like, can I come look at this car? Like I couldn't say no, dude. The fact that this is gonna be Courtney's daily is like just, it's so cool. Like she gets so many cool points for that. This car was an unreal deal. Like we paid like a quarter of what this car is worth. I think the guy just, honestly, he didn't really know what it was. Like it was his son's and his son needed money and his dad was trying to get rid of it because it had been stored in a barn for like 2.5 years. And it was just sitting there and they were just like, we don't want this anymore. We want money for it. It's just taking up space. So I laid underneath it, I checked everything, like everything looks really nice. We stole this thing, it's unreal. Dude, I'm so fired up. So this is a JDM WRX, it's a 1998. Obviously it's a wagon. This thing only has 114,000 kilometers on it. How do you always end up with that key? Oh, dude, this thing's so cool. Boom, baby, 114,888. It's got this little weird nav unit that pops up. It's all in Japanese. I don't know how to work this thing. Came with this weird wonky ass remote, which I still have yet to figure out what to do with this thing. I think it's dead, but from what I know, this is like a DVD player, but also like a JDM nav unit. We're just gonna put it away. It came with a little double din radio, got like Bluetooth, aux, all that kind of stuff. And this thing is just bone stock. Bone stock, never really been modified. It has like rally armor mud flaps and a Magnaflow exhaust, and it's really low mileage, and honestly, I kind of want to keep it just like really nice, clean it up, do some tasteful mods, but don't like start sending it with boost and go crazy. Like this is the perfect daily if we just clean it up and tastefully modify it. We need to get rid of these bright blue corner lights because these are kind of ugly, how that's blue and the rest is not. We need to fix that. We need to fix the red hood scoop. Courtney's super not a fan of this. We're gonna have to get like a white one or a black one or carbon one or something cool. Apparently when this guy got it, it was already cracked, so we'll probably just replace that whole thing as well as this. First of all, I'm pissed because Courtney beat me to having a right-hand drive car. That sucks. But I'm so excited to have one in the household, to like own a right-hand drive car. So once we sell the Mazda, she's obviously gonna pay me back for this thing. She wanted me to make that very clear that I didn't buy her a car. She doesn't want to be a charity case. We're gonna sell the Mazda and then she's gonna pay for this thing. Dude, it's so clean, it's so nice, and I just like, we'll never sell it now. I told Courtney if she gets sick of it, I'll just convert it to a manual and I'll keep it like forever. Like this, I'm gonna own this car forever. I've always wanted one of these, and now that we have one, like it's never gonna leave. So there might not be like a shitload of content on this thing all the time, because like I said, we wanna kinda get it up to par with just being super reliable and just do like, I'll probably do all the gaskets. It needs brakes all the way around, it needs tires all the way around. And I think the Magnaflow exhaust has a small leak like halfway through. But like aside from those things, we're gonna get this thing going, we're gonna fix all those problems, and it's gonna be just like the coolest daily for her to have. But that's kinda it, like there's not much to it. It's just super clean. It's got a whole bunch of really weird Japanese things. This was in the back seat. Pulled out the cup holder and look what we found. I would assume that would be like 10 yen, right? It's 10 some kind of
yen.
Yen. What am I saying?
Yen.
Yeah, whatever. 10 yen. That's such a souvenir that comes with the car, man. I wonder how long it's been in there and no one ever knew. I love it. I filmed a little bit of us driving it last night because it was Courtney's first time ever driving right-hand drive, and mine really when I drove it home, but I'm gonna put that right here, and then we're gonna end the video with that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are excited to see some content on this car, and just excited for Courtney to have a wicked daily. So I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay committed. Okay, so we got home and I immediately was like, okay, Courtney, you have to drive this because I might be doing like a little bit of repairs to it and stuff. So I needed her to drive it right now to make sure she absolutely loves it. And dude, she's killing it. Like she just straight up drove it right around, like just no issue. Pulled into this parking space, like absolutely fine. Like, dude, you're killing it. I'm so impressed. I'm so fired up.
I'm excited to hear its cold start.
Me too. I'm excited to hear you leave for work.
I'm used to my low car, so I'm still living the low life, but in not a low car.
Yeah, this car we're not lowering.
No.
This car's staying like it is.
It doesn't need it.
Just want to say, if Courtney's doing this right now with ease,
Literally anybody.
Anybody can do this. Like, anybody can do this.
It's a left turn lane.
This is not a left turn lane. I turned that signal off and go
Both
straight.
of them are left turn lanes.
I don't know about that.
I'm pretty confident.
Hey, I'm proud of you. You're killing it.
Me too. I'm doing a lot better than I thought I would.
It's beautiful, dude. It's beautiful.